Hey first timers, I'm David, and this is Terry.
And we're trying things for the first time, so you don't have to.
And on today's episode, we're going to be reviewing the Date Box by Happily Co. And date boxes are a subscription that get delivered directly to your home, and the prices range from $32 up to $39 a month based on the length of subscription. I know when we were locked down during the pandemic, it was tough coming up with different date ideas every weekend, and it would have been a really great thing to have at that time. Also for anybody that has maybe don't have a babysitter or just looking for a quick way and a unique date every week or every month, this is a great box for you. So we're going to dive into the box. We're going to go through the process and see if it's really worth it.
Boxes are shipped on the 10th of every month and take 3 to 5 days for delivery. Now let's unbox our date.
Hey, sounds like a good idea to me. So, right here you have the box. Sorry to cover your face. And inside each box, it tells you what you need to prepare for the date. So this one, we have take a trip overseas and into your lover's heart. Aww. No passport necessary. All right, Terry, tell us what we're doing today.
All right, this box is Greek themed and we're going to be making homemade pitas and tzatziki sauce. We also have a couple of games to play and a customized playlist.
Oh, that sounds fun.
Let's get into it.
I would probably say Eros, Pragma, and Agape. Right? What about you?
3 words. Ludus, probably Pragma, and store. Because I like to store things.
Yeah, I like it. It's a competition, an old-timey sporting event that goes on today.
Horseshoes?
No, they get gold medals if they win.
Olympics?
Yes.
Yay! One for me.
One for you.
It's a book?
The Bible.
No. I don't know this. I know it's a book. The Odyssey.
You're not supposed to tell me
I
what
know,
it
you're
is.
supposed to stop filming when I said that's what it is.
This is going in.
No.
Next one.
You're the worst.
Next one.
Okay, it's a city in Greece.
Athens.
You got it.
All right. Well, we just finished our first date box, and we had a blast. So we played the playlist, got to listen to some new music.
It was good.
Yeah.
Yeah, we made the tzatziki sauce and the pita bread, and it was bomb.
Really good. The board game, it was like a mixture of chess and checkers. It was awesome. But I think
I
that's
didn't like it so much.
because I won. The other card game was kind of a trivia name game, and didn't do as good at that. But that was fun. All in all, would we recommend getting this box? I 100% would recommend, especially anybody that doesn't want to have to get a babysitter but still wants to do a date night, or you just want a box to have as a backup date plan in case something falls through. Definitely
Or
worth the money.
if you're not good at planning dates, it's planned for you.
Definitely.
It just shows up at your house.
So if you're interested, we'll leave our referral code in the description below. And yeah,
You'll get $10 off your first box.
join us for our next episode when we try something else new for the first time. We're the first timers.
High
High five.